If you're watching this video, I assume you might be knowing something about hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is one of the best ingredients all over the world, which is used very commonly. Even as a dermatologist, I do prescribe hyaluronic acid for years now. Few of the individuals get very good results with hyaluronic acid and few don't. So why this is so? Today we are going to find out. And also I'm going to tell you about the benefits of hyaluronic acid along with how to use, when to use for the best results. I'm going to give you 3 hyaluronic acid products that you can buy from the market and straight away you can use it on your face. I'm Dr. Nitin Verma. I am a certified dermatologist and a laser surgeon, and today I'm unlocking the secrets of hyaluronic acid in skincare. Hyaluronic acid is naturally there inside our body. It is present in the skin, it is present in the connective tissues. So what are the benefits of hyaluronic acid? The main benefit of hyaluronic acid is to moisturize the skin, to hydrate the skin. Side by side, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also helps in healing of the skin. Whenever there is some inflammation, skin wound, it helps in early healing of the wound. And in dehydrated skin, it also helps in replenishing the moisture. The next question is, who can use hyaluronic acid? Anyone with any skin type can use hyaluronic acid, even kids, adults, senior citizens. All of the people can use hyaluronic acid. It is supposed to be very safe. When to use hyaluronic acid? Hyaluronic acid can be used in morning and evening. As a base for the makeup, you can use hyaluronic acid. As a base for sunscreen, you can use hyaluronic acid. And along with that, before application of your active ingredients or any other moisturizer, you can use hyaluronic acid. With what ingredients you can use hyaluronic acid? You can use hyaluronic acid with any ingredient. It doesn't have any reaction with any ingredient, but especially it is good with vitamin C, vitamin B5 and glycolic acid. It works superb with that. Even it is helpful in reducing retinol or retinoid induced dryness. Hyaluronic acid can hold water up to 1,000 times of its molecular weight. As we all know that lack of moisture is one of the major cause of aging skin. So if we replenish our skin with hyaluronic acid, this means we are hydrating the skin, we are replenishing the skin, we are making our skin barriers more stronger. This means we are preventing aging skin. Now the point is, if hyaluronic acid is so much good for the skin and suits every type of skin, few of the individuals get very good results with hyaluronic acid and few do not get good results. So why this is so? You need to understand the fact that hyaluronic acid comes in various strengths, various percentages. The one which has a higher molecular weight doesn't get absorbed till the deeper layers of the skin. The one which has a lower molecular weight can easily penetrate the skin and goes inside the skin and can hydrate the deeper layers of the skin. So the best product is the product which is having both of these hyaluronic acid, means high molecular weight as well as low molecular weight. Just look at this product. This is a product by a company called Devacos, and the product is gel based. It's a hyaluronic acid gel. It contains a bit of niacinamide also. It contains glycerin also, and it is good for oily skin. It is good for acne prone skin. And I'll just show you the product. It is a kind of transparent gel. It's a very good smooth product and very light product. Once you apply, you won't feel that you applied anything. It just goes away inside the skin as it is. Now I'm going to share with you another product, that is Hydra Pure Serum. And the best part of the product is it contains high molecular weight along with low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and this means that it is good for super dry skin, sensitive skin, even people with combination skin can use. And there is another product called L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% serum. That product is even good for sensitive skin and all kind of skin. You can just straight away buy from the market and start using all the 3 products. And do comment me like you liked the product or no, or any queries regarding hyaluronic acid, you are welcome to ask. This is Dr. Nitin Verma signing off. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you.